everyone. Thank you for your time na pumunta kayo sa Pinagawili. And
Gian, o naiyan ako sila na mapagod na. Sa linggo ko, silang prepare talaga.
Hindi, sorry, man of few words lang po talaga siya. No, ayun, I would like to thank everyone on behalf of John and I. Maraming salamat for being here on a Sunday. I understand it's a family day, but you celebrated this day with us. It's a special day for us kasi we really planned for this a long time and really wanted to share this with everyone kasi yun nga, if it's too good, 'di ba? You don't want to gatekeep it. So we want everyone to experience the wellness and the beauty that we can offer here, elevated pa. Ayun. So thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Gian. So again, our friends from the media, at
Ay,
sa mga
dapat
special
tayo,
guests
baka
ko.
sabay.
Hindi
Dapat
ko
tayo
po
tayo, Bebe.
patatagalin, but I have personal relationship with
Yeah.
these two. I'm not just their PR
So
manager
dapat
or PR
lakasan.
friend. But I have high respect for them because they're also my very close friend. Maliit na pangalan bilang advocate at PR person, tinataya ko po parating sinasabi sa mga brands na hawak ko. And these digital media teams who are here have known me for a long time. So ako na po magsasabi that they deserve the support that you will give them. Alright, so we can now open the floor for questions. So I'll give the mic to anyone. Mas kilala lang po tayo. Yes, John Mike.
Hi guys, good afternoon. First of all, congratulations on the grand opening of Inuwe. Now, can you tell us a little bit about where Inuwe came from? What's the name? Actually, what does the name mean? And can you also tell us how does it feel to finally open this branch?
So, okay, ayun. Inoue, it's actually a Japanese word. It means life springing upward. So, staying true to our vision and mission na we want to elevate wellness. Kaya, dun talaga nang galing. So, figuratively, we want our lives to spring upward, diba? The quality. So, dun talaga nang galing yung meaning nun. And then, the feeling, actually, parang everything's so fast-paced right now. Nagsimula yung araw namin ng talagang maaga with Sir Mix kanina. So, ayun, hanggang ngayon, parang it feels like a dream. Yun pala yun, no? Parang it feels surreal talaga na ito na ba talaga? Hindi ba ako nananaginip? Nandito ba talaga kayong lahat? Ganon. Kanina nakurot ako, so naramdaman ko, totoo. Totoo pala to. Ayun, kasi this has been my dream for 5 years already. So, kinukulit ko na siya for a long time na gawin natin to. Laging, no, not yet. No, not yet. Parang, buti na lang pinayagan ako. Finally.
What was the final?
The trigger point, no? Yes, the trigger point talaga was, he was always asking me, ano ba kasing kakaiba? Ano bang meron dyan na wala yung iba? So, dun na kami pumasok with the health and regenerative treatments, the wellness treatments, na we wanted to be a holistic approach. So, when you come inside, yung treatments na magagawa ninyo dito is for the wellness within and then for the skin health also. Yun. So, cellular health, skin health, so overall siya.
And did it have to have, like, kailangan ba niya maranasan pa niya yung treatments first before you decided on finally pushing her?
actually yes. Kasi lahat ng treatments na nandito is na-try talaga namin personally. And talagang siya, almost everything na-try. Kaya nung nakita ko na more talagang health side siya. Sige. Kasi ayoko naman na aesthetics, pero hindi lahat ng pwede. So, dahil may health side, everyone is okay.
Alright. Can you also tell us about the services that are currently offered by Inuwe? And how can people actually go here? Do they need to schedule first before they go to the clinic? Or can they just walk in? So,
Okay, so for that, in terms of the services, we have a lot of services being offered. So starting with the aesthetic side or the skin health, so we have different facials here. One that I would also like to highlight is our resurfacing peel facial. It's a chemical peel with no downtime. So in contrary to the peels that everyone is familiar na may downtime, di ka pwedeng lumabas ng bahay after the facial, magbabalat ka, medyo mangingitim, yung ganon. So, wala kaming ganon. So, after the treatment, you go back to your normal daily routine, all good. And then, we also have laser treatments, various laser treatments intended for toning, for the exfoliation, carbon peel, scar treatment also. We also have for hair removal, diode, but we are using an advanced technology wherein the handpiece is already cold. So for those who have experienced diode hair removal na masakit, eventually mainit, bakit ganon? Yan. So we address that here. We also have other doctor's procedures like microneedling, Botox procedures, biostimulators, skin boosters, IV wellness drips. So for the IV wellness drips, I would like to expound further kasi nga we are targeting wellness here. So we have drips intended for faster healing, faster recovery if you underwent surgery, if you're feeling fatigued or constantly drained, if you have a sickness, let's say nagkalagdat ka, nagkatrangkaso ka, and you need help with recovery. We also have for serene restore naman, addressing those with insomnia, mood swings, anxiety, anything that would help you calm down. So we have those. For energy boost also. So for those who need help with brain focus or to eliminate the brain fog, energy production, maximizing also. Fertility, for those who would like to conceive and they need help. So this is based on the prescription of other OBs or fertility doctors. So yung contents nun, yun yung nandun sa drip na ino-offer din namin for the both partners. What else ba? We also have the stem cell. For stem cell, we have autologous stem cell and we have the umbilical cord stem cell. So for more on prevention, anti-aging, ganyan. So we can offer the autologous stem cell. But for those with the more chronic condition, we have umbilical cord stem cell, which can address dementia, Alzheimer's, autism, paralysis, stroke, Parkinson's, autoimmune. But I would like to clarify that it's not a magic treatment. It's not a cure. It's not a cure-all. It can help, but of course, we do those treatments with guidance of their doctors as well. So with their evaluation and the approval also of the attending physician. So it's a teamwork eh. Yeah, it's a teamwork. So yeah, we also, we recently launched another treatment. It's called EBU, extracorporeal blood oxygenation and ozonation. So basically, we filter the blood, we remove the toxins, we remove those components that can cause the clot, and then we put the blood back sa body. So going out, it's a dark red, and then going back, it's bright red already, signaling that it's already filtered and it's oxygenated also. The benefits are improved sleep, energy maximization, what else pa? Yun, prevention on the clog, pain management. So for those with risk of heart disease, yeah, so we have that also. We also have chelation treatment. Chelation naman is intended for flushing out of heavy metals inside the body. So as mentioned, we are here in the Philippines. Pollution is everywhere, especially yun sa smoke, di ba, of the leaded and unleaded. So basically, most of us, most probably, mataas ang levels natin ng heavy metals. So chelation can address that also.
you also have something for the hair.
Yes, we also have for the hair. For those needing help naman or attention sa hair growth, so we also do the gun treatment. So it's hair regeneration therapy. So it can help with hair growth. Good. Machines naman, oh yeah, we have advanced machines here. For the lifting, we are using RF technology that targets the superficial and the deeper layers, the S-mass layer, giving you an instant effect, instant lift, but the results would peak on the third month. So yung instant effect, it's not yet the final effect. So mag-improve pa siya, and then on the third month, you would be able to see the maximum results. Ayun. So, sobrang dami na pa. Ang dami niyang remind niya ako, sorry. So, the highlight of everything is, meron po tayong scientific basis on the treatments that we would do because we have the skin analysis here. We use a technology that would give you the results on the wrinkles ng face, the fine lines, collagen, sunspots, yan. So, we can see those from the analyzer. And then, there's a body scanner that we use here wherein there are a lot of parameters that will be given. One is that the heavy metals level, the uric acid, sugar, blood viscosity, the status of your heart, lungs, bones, cardiovascular health, liver, name it, even reproductive health, gastro, pancreas, emotions, allergy, yun. So everything in just one scan. So we know it sounds a little too good to be true, diba? But then again, the doctors are here naman to interpret the results, to explain everything further, and of course, to validate the results with the patient. Si patient lang talaga makapagsabi kung totoo ba talaga yung binabato na results. Yeah.
You mentioned that
Yeah.
the doctor is also here.
Yes.
Can you tell us maybe just the name, the details?
Yes. Yes. Oh, so we have our partner doctors. We have Doc Joey here. He's our medical director. We also have Doc Mark Takutan, and then we also have Doc Philip. So they are our partners here. They will be here during the consultation, during the evaluation, so that everything na nandun sa analysis na binabato na results, a licensed physician is available to discuss everything.
And can you tell us, in the near future, who would you like to be like your customer? Who would you like to be here in a
Yeah.
way?
Ako. Ako, honestly, baka, yun lang, baka it's a far dream, no? But I really want of all ages kasi even those starting from 18 years and up, those that can already do treatments, or maybe for the facial, even younger, like teenage years, maybe we can help them get through their puberty stage as well, diba? Ayun. But in terms of the other treatments, of course, if minor naman, we can get consent from the families, but definitely professionals, young professionals, or like senior level management, and of course even those who are retired already and enjoying their free time. Most yun talaga, kasi we want to give them the benefit, like it's already their time, di ba? They should be able to enjoy. Yes, yes, but it would be challenging to enjoy life if their health is at risk, or if they're not perfectly healthy. So, like I've mentioned earlier, we are targeting the health span here. So, we want to prolong it. We want to improve their health.
Can you tell us a little bit more, John? And of course, what's your favorite treatment that you've undergone in this
Ikaw.
health and wellness?
For me, the IV tips. Kasi anything I need, pwede siya ma-recover, and yun, actually, yun yung mga talaga na test namin. Kaya siya yung different things sa
You can tell more about yung sa experience mo about
Yeah, one of my experiences, nagkaroon ako ng hot acid dito sa kamay. Even as in, siya.
you can know.
And yun, pinilit namin sa yung recovery with night, kasi gumugulong at kinabukasan, close na siya. And on Saturday, sumunod na ako na siya, kasi totally walang cover, wala nang doon sa address. And even doon sa immune system, wala kayong help. Kasi parang physical activities kami, kaya kailangan namin ng mag-recover.
Yeah, about you? What's your like favorite treatments? Of course, you've probably tried all of them, but
Ay, top 3 ka na pala. Top 3 treatments ka na lang. Hindi daw kaya to one.
Kasi part of HG, nagsasabi yung dito.
Sa Shaoling. Yeah.
yeah.
Ang ginamit ko sa actually lang yung movement. Medyo, feel parang bumata. So, yung, and one
So
thing,
parang nagkaroon ng definition of
Yes.
what do you call that?
The jawline. So, submental.
another thing, wala, before namin sa health profession, dahil sobrang kakalitin ang nila. Hindi pwede yung isakit. Kaya ako, ilagay yung mga treatments namin, tolerable.
How about you?
Ako, top 3 na kasi named a lot. Hindi na ako gagaya but definitely the IV drip is one in the list. Pero sige, dahil kinuha niya. Another one for me would be the stem cell treatment. I did that last December. I really noticed the difference kasi in terms of my sleep. Ako honestly, tingin ko naman I'm healthy. Pero wala rin akong problem sa sleep. But in terms of the quality, doon ako may problema. Like, I can sleep 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, pero pag gising ko, pagod pa din ako. But after doing stem cell treatment, 4 hours of sleep, 3 hours of sleep, feeling ko naka 8 or 10 hours ako. Buhay na buhay ako. Ganun yung pakiramdam. And I miss that. Kasi as part of maintenance, we can do it every 3 months or every 6 months depending on the condition. So in my case, I can do it every 6 months. So actually, due na ako. So now, nafe-feel ko na ulit yun na ang haba na ng tulog ko pero pagod na pagod ako. May ganun ako. That's why it was supported by another treatment that we did last time lang, the Ibu. Yun. So, yun yung first ko. Second one ko would be the biosimulator. Kasi ako, I really love hydration sa skin. Gusto ko yung glass skin. Ganon. Tapos ako, I believe kasi for the longest time, hindi ako nawawalan ng acne. So feeling ko outside health lang siya. But I was wrong. Actually, it's hormonal pala. Kaya pala kahit na anong gawin ko, anong palit ko ng ginagamit kong skincare, anong facial ko, laging meron. It's because the inside pala should be targeted. So when I did IV drip, and then together with the biosimulator na treatment, the Juveloc treatment that I did, ayun, so sobrang ganda siya. Na-notice ko agad yung effect. And then the third one would be, hirap. Ang hirap pala ng down to 3. Probably microneedling or biosimulator na injection din talaga. Ako siguro microneedling if I would do it on my own or sa sarili ko lang. Like I have a short time or walang doctor available to do the treatment. That's why I also recommend it kasi siguro it's more convenient for me. No, I did microneedling with Biosome the other day. So ang na-notice namin immediately, ang ganda talaga ng effect. Kasi the microneedling treatment, it boosts your collagen production. Plus pa the net, the Biosome that we use. Ang galing kasi that time meron akong a little redness. Pero right after the treatment, akala mo glass skin na glass skin, banat na banat ka. Ganun yung effect niya. Ayun, so yun. For me, top 3 yun yung love ko.
Tell us how can one go here.
Yes. Going here, we are along Tibog Avenue. So, we are very near EDSA also. For the treatments naman, we highly recommend to book an appointment in advance. So, we have our front desk officer naman, our client relations associate, addressing those. So, siya naman mag-schedule for the treatments. But, if you happen to be around the area and then you want to do an ocular or maybe know more about the services, it's fine. We can discuss everything. And as long as we have an available esthetician or a doctor naman, they can accommodate.
So either call or social media?
Yes, pwedeng call, social media, through chat. Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you so much.
Other questions?
Yes, Barbie Lish.
Hi, Miss Gian. So, congratulations po. But can you share na ba sa ng products po sa Gillette? So, can you share mo yung paano po ba siya after treatment po? Hindi po ba yan?
Okay, so most clients kasi they are asking, di ba, after the treatment, so paano na yun? Maganda na yung treatment na ginawa ko. Baka yung skincare ko pala, or yung body care ko, or hair care ko, hindi pala tugma sa ginagawa ko. That's often the question eh. So, yun. So, here we have a line for the body care, a line for the hair care, and the skincare set. So, each line naman, they have their own patented ingredient. Everything is organic, also made from recycled materials yung packaging natin. Of course, not just to help us, but to help our environment as well. So, yun, everything is organic as I've mentioned. So, even as young as a baby, especially for the wash or the shampoo, they can use those also. So, if they're asking for recommendations or if they need help. So all the products here are available. After the treatment, they can approach us and then we can recommend the products to them.
Kung in terms of the location po, and then the interior po, super hands-on po ba yung naging setup po?
Actually, yung sa design and yung as in layout, personally, kami yung nag-handpick and we gave yung specs sa designer para yung gusto namin maging ambience, homey.
Si Martin Ramos is here. Yung isang vlog. Parang kanina pa siya lumilipit. Actually, ko siya nakikita. Ayun, totoo naman yun. We are very hands-on. Actually, not just the interior, but also the materials or like the specific pieces na nilagay namin dito. We really did not settle for this. Kasi may ugali kami na when we buy something, minsan sinasabi namin, ayan na lang muna para meron. But eventually, hindi na napapalitan. So we learned. We already learned na pag bumili kami, yun na yun. That's why, as simple as a pillow, here, di kami bumibili agad. Very particular. Dapat itong brand, dapat ganitong size. Kapag wala yung ganitong brand at ganitong size, sorry, hindi kami bibili. Pero pag nakita namin yun, okay, let's take all. Ganun naman. So, ganun kami ka-committed. So, same then with what we want naman the clients to experience. We want them to experience the best. Kaya we really don't settle for the second best for us. Yun. So, kaya ganun kami ka-detailed. Yeah.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Yes. Go yun, si Lionheart. Richard.
Siyempre, nakailang weeks na kayo sa itong start.
Yes, nag-soft opening po kami ng June 27 and then today, the grand opening.
And dun sa parang ano yung best so far na para feedback sa inyo na lahat kayo na ng services?
Number one na laging hindi talaga maaalis, ang sinasabi nila, ang ganda raw nung feeling, ang homey nung vibe, kumbaga ang cozy. It's a clinic, yes, but it doesn't feel like nakakatakot. It feels like home, yun. And it feels private. Yun yung lagi nilang sinasabi. Kasi although we are very accessible naman, kasi nga along Timog Ave and we are near EDSA, we are still inside the building. So, it's public, but it's a little private at the same time. So, there's still privacy. Yun. Kaya na-appreciate nila yun. And then, in terms of the treatment naman, and na-amaze kasi sila dun sa feeling na lahat sila treated as VIP. So, that's what we want to maintain here, na hindi dapat si ganito lang si VIP. Pag si ganito, bara-bara natin i-treat. Wag naman ganun. That's why we highly encourage that everything is naka-appointment din. Ayun. And then, sabi nga niya, nakakatulog raw sila. Nare-relax sila. Kasi the treatments here, even the machine treatments or other facial treatments, ano talaga, yung zero or no pain at all, yun talaga yung gusto namin na ma-feel ng clients. So, lagi rin namin kinukumusta, lalo na if the treatment involves needles or pricking or diba? So, lagi namin tanong, are you okay? Are you feeling okay? Kamusta? You need anything? You need, ganun po. Ayan. So, we want them to feel cared for.
And also, dun sa mga partner brands niyo, paano niyo siya pinili?
Okay. So, sa partner brands, siguro dun na pumapasok yung pagka-chemical engineer ko na background na I really read labels eh. Not just sa skincare that I use, even sa food, even any little thing talaga, yung attention to detail. So, dun ako talaga nag-lean. And then, each line nga, they have their own patented ingredient na nag-boost talaga. Like, for example, the hair care, it has the Certicola, which boosts yung blood flow sa scalp natin. It would help with the hair growth. Ayun. So, it's very important for me na meron siyang something special. And then, we are soon to expand pa naman the lines to address more special concerns. So, stay tuned.
Thank you po.
Thank you!
So, pinagmamalaki nila Gian, no, the confluence of a very high margin physician-assisted treatments. So pinagmamalaki nila yun. They have the very doctors, the latest technology combined, the latest treatments that we have in the market, and of course a safe space for everyone is very important for every health and wellness clinic. So, any other questions? Okay, study brief.
Thank you, congratulations.
Thank you.
Medyo napik yung interest ko kanina regarding sa hair growth. Sa mga katulad namin, may hair managing problem na. Maybe just a brief, ano yung treatment na ginagawa nila and how affordable it is para sa mga
Okay. So for the hair, we are offering two treatments actually. It's scalp boost and the hair regeneration. So the more premium one is the hair regeneration therapy wherein we use biosome or growth factors. Tapos yun yung i-inject natin sa scalp. We use a gun. It's a meso gun. The procedure will be done by a doctor. So carefully assisted then also with the nurse. Yun. So it's recommended to be done about 3 sessions to notice the results. 1 month apart sila, so, or every 4 weeks. Ayun. So, hair kasi, the normal cycle, it takes about 4 to 5 months, the regular cycle, for you to really see the yung visible na baby hairs. Yeah. But in terms of this treatment, hopefully by the 3rd month or maybe even 2nd, if we are really cooperating in terms of the lifestyle, the hair care, diba? If we're religiously doing those, so dapat meron na tayong makikitang little results. In terms of the pain, I must admit, there are specific parts that are painful because syempre rounded to and then merong parts na mas masakit talaga siya even though we are using a careful technique. But overall naman, the experience is tolerable. As you've mentioned, we also did the treatment. In terms of the price naman, 1 session is actually more expensive than getting the packaged one. Kaya we highly recommend getting the package, yes. And since this will be done by the doctor and with their proper guidance also and care, kaya a little on the pricier side lang. Although for those na starting pa lang, yung hair thinning or the hair loss, but we already want to prevent further. So we can do the scalp boost therapy. That's a little lower in terms of the price. Kasi nandun pa lang tayo sa prevention, diba? Ayun. So
there's no one-time also.
he can explain further kasi, yeah, he did the treatment eh.
Ano ba ang time siya? Kasi after nun, actually, overnight na, pwede mo siyang
Yeah, pwede mo na siya mabasa. Yeah. Oh, so it's a gun treatment. We use a gun. Tapos syempre during the treatment, right after the treatment, we don't recommend washing the hair just yet because of the meds and everything. But after 24 hours, yes. But I must admit there are specific parts na kapag ginawa yun, there's a little pinpoint bleeding lang. Yeah, and then there's a tingling sensation kasi nga may na-hit tayo na something. But it's not to the point na maiiyak ang patient or talagang aaray. Yes. And of course, sorry, I just have to mention that if yung patient naman talaga is mababa yung pain tolerance, we can do topical anesthesia naman, although it's not really needed. Pero kung meron talaga that's interested to do the treatment, pero aminado siya na mababa yung pain tolerance niya, we can help naman a little lang. Yes, kasi we don't want naman na during the treatment yung anesthesia na lang yung pumapasok, di ba? So a little lang just to help. But hanggat kaya, wala. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Stanley. Any other questions? Tsaka I think ang pagmamalaki ni na Gian and Jan is most of the treatments you've tried yourself, right?
Yes.
So they wouldn't recommend something na hindi mo na dumaan sa sarili nila. I think yun yung edge din nila as owners, founders of Inoue. Sir Edwin, you have questions? Where is Edwin?
I'm congratulations.
Hello.
Two questions. I think una is, if there's a treatment na gusto nyo ma-associate with Inoue, ano yun? And ano yung branding or trademark na gusto nyo makilala na
Ikaw muna. Hala,
Okay, Sir Ed, Gian.
laging pass the mic.
Oo nga, Jan.
Just clear eh.
Okay.
Siguro on the trademark that we want us to be associated with, siguro yun, elevated wellness, holistic health. So it's not just skin health, it's not just cellular health, it's overall health. So be it the concern na inside or outside, so we want clients to feel na, okay, pag pumunta ako kay Inoue, pwede ko gawin yun pareho. Pwede ko yun gawin lahat. Ganon. So, that's the goal. And as aggressive as we are, we really plan to add treatments or even machines every year or maybe every two, kasi we believe that technology is ever evolving, di ba? Yung advancement hindi natin mapipigilan, and there's always an improvement, so we want to offer that also here, kasi ako, I'm very passionate with treatments. Ayoko yung feeling na pag sinabi yung aesthetic treatments or regenerative treatments, lagi ako naisip, ay sa Korea tayo. Ay, sa Japan tayo. Bakit ganon? Maybe we can start with, meron din sa Philippines niyan. Diba? Sayang naman. Kasi if no one would be brave enough or if no one would dare to really share what we can do, ang dami namang matalino dito. Ang daming capable. Ang daming pwedeng gumawa. So maybe nandun na lang tayo sa part that maybe we can enhance or support. Diba? Para everyone can market na, meron tayo sa Philippines niyan. Yun. So, yun yung tingin ko. And then, in terms of the treatment, I think more on the regenerative. Kasi if we target the regenerative treatments, pati yung skin health, ma-address siya. So, if you're healthy inside, so it would reflect on the way you look, the way you talk, the way you move, yung energy mo, diba? So, yun yung answer ko. Meron ka addition? Baka meron.
Jan, may dadagdag ko pa.
Very pageant yung questions dito. Akala ko tapos na yung Miss International.
Kailan?
From Manila Times.
Hello, sir.
John and Gia, have you done some market research before you will putting up Inoue?
Ako ba ba? Ako raw po talaga. No, honestly, sir, I've been very updated since like ilang years na, 5 years? 6 years? Kasi yun nga po, that's the time na planning stage 5 years, 6 years, ganun. So, I've been watching videos, I've been following trends, I've been reading articles, kaya very nerdy stuff po kasi talaga ako. Hindi lang halata, pero yan. I really put attention to details kasi gusto ko, kapag di-recommend ko, hindi ako mapapahiya. Ayaw ko yun. Kasi gusto ko yung pag nakita ko, at sinabi ko na, maganda to. Kasi they associate that with the name eh. So if for example, I said, this treatment is very nice. Na-associate niyo na, yun yung ni-recommend ni Gian eh. But I only get one name. Diba? So pag nasira ako dun, saan na ako? Ay, nawala. Sorry. Ay, sorry. Ayan pa. So pag nasira ako doon, it's very hard to get back up, diba? So, nandun kami sa part na, okay, that's the reason why everything is carefully selected, carefully researched also. Thank you.
Strategy and really bridge the backlog of a very highly sterile medical procedures and the comfort of a luxury spa. Yun yung pinagmamalaki niya as you went around to check it also. Diba?
Yes.
So, sino pa po? I think we have yung kapamilya online. Ako na talaga magtuturo lahat.
Good afternoon.
What advice would you give to someone looking to enter an aesthetic and wellness business?
Ikaw muna.
Business advice.
Business advice. Advice.
For business advice, kung yung passion nyo, kasi may try and syempre may failure, pero learn from it and basta passion, malaki ang chance na success.
Oh, sige, I will put to you later. Oh, saan po yun? Okay, ako, business advice, start now. No, really, time is of the essence. There is no perfect time that you can say na, okay, I'm ready. Walang ganun. Walang ganun sa buhay. So, if you prayed for it, and then, the stars will align, you will be blessed with the right people. Sa amin, yun yung learning ko eh. Yun yung realization ko na 5 years ago, lagi namin sinasabi na gusto ko nito, gusto ko nito. Hindi siya nangyayari. Bakit kaya? Ano? Bakit kaya? So parang at that time, bakit hindi? Gusto ko na. Kaya ko na. Pag ganun yung feeling ko. But then I realized, okay, if it's time, it's time. You should just start slowly. Never stop. So once you started, huwag kang hihinto. Kahit na nadi-discourage ka, it's okay. Slow down ka lang, but never, never stop. And then start now. Thank you. Okay. Ayun. Actually, we have. For today, we are offering 50% off on all our services. It's buy one, take one. And then we have 20% off for all doctor's procedures. And then for every purchase of 10,000 worth, that's a one raffle entry. So we have grand prizes awaiting. That's ranging from 30,000 and up. So if you purchased about 50,000 pesos of worth of treatments, that's 5 raffle entries already. So dito yung literal na more chances of winning kapag ka mas maraming kinuha. Ayun. So those are the prizes that we have in store. Other one is we have an ongoing like, follow, and share mechanics. So we are giving away about 15 treatments for free. So sa social media naman po yun.
Ma'am Leila?
What message would you like to share with everyone celebrating with you today?
Ikaw
muna.
Ma'am Leila, you want to announce
Ikaw
something
muna.
also? Diba, you will be
Lawag
featuring
namin
them,
kasi sabi
cover
na mapagod na
of
ako.
experience
Kaya
namin.
Ay, tulog ko po. Tulog ko po.
Kain kami.
Oo nga. Oo nga pala, up and coming.
Kami.
Ayun. So, sulitin ko na raw po yung mic. No, first of all, ayun, never-ending Thanksgiving talaga. So, from the bottom of our hearts, we would like to thank everyone celebrating with us. Thank you for spending the time with us today. I know time is precious, diba? So, you chose to celebrate this event with us. Kaya na-appreciate namin yun. Another one is we really want everyone to be inspired of what we want in a way to give to clients. Kumbaga yung vision and mission namin to elevate wellness and to empower natural beauty. So gusto namin yun ma-share sa lahat. Kasi, yun, I believe the best marketing tool talaga is our words. Yeah, word of mouth talaga. So, sa amin, ito is an avenue to share what we can offer, to share the treatments that we discovered, to share the advancements and improvements that are soon to be offered here. So we really encourage everyone to please follow us, stay tuned, kasi ang promise naman talaga namin is never-ending advancement talaga in terms of the technology and the treatments that we will be offering. But at the same time, we want to build the relationship. So if you feel like the treatment that we are offering here is calling you, or if it piqued your interest and you want to know more, please reach out. Kausapin niyo kami, message niyo kami. We want to discuss further because what we always tell others din naman, we want to build relationship from the moment you stepped inside. We want you to feel that you are genuinely cared for. Hindi yung tipong peperahan lang namin kayo. No, we don't want that. That's why all the treatments here are properly guided by our licensed physician. We also have scientific basis. So yun yung importante kasi hindi yung basta kumita lang kami. But secondary na lang kasi yung income eh. Pero what's important here is we can elevate your wellness together. That we are in this journey with you. Yan. Thank you.
You. So, before they give their parting shots, we also want to thank si Sean Torres of Neo Asia, Connie and Kato Baru, Mr. Jem Garan, nandito kanina, Spectrum, Michelle Santos of Jubilee. Diba? And
Sila Tito Rocky.
yeah, Tito Rocky, everyone here.
Tito Rocky, Tito J.
Tito J.
And then sila
So
Mark.
everyone are
Si
VIPs
Derek.
here.
Si Derek also. Si Derek.
Derek.
Si Derek, yes.
Ah,
nag-drip? Ah, wow. So they're experiencing the treatments already. Yes, oo. And everyone, family, friends, suppliers, influencers, bloggers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Of course, the team behind Inoue, wala po kami dito kung wala po yung magagaling namin na estheticians, staff, therapists, doctors, our partner doctors na buti na lang ay pinagbigyan po kami to be with us. Of course, the digital marketing team, PR po namin, the ever gorgeous Miss Bems. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan.